back to our channel, and today Chef Prabhi and Chef Amrit will be cooking some cupcakes. So this is the all ingredients we have. So we have a bowl, a whisk, a measuring cup, a cupcake tray, some icing, 3 different types of sprinkles, ham spray, and cupcake liners. So let's get started. Well, we have 3 different types, so we don't know what to choose. Ooh, I think I'm going to make this one. So let's get to it. So now it's time to put the ingredients. You need 3 eggs, 1.5 cup of oil, and 1 cup of milk. So let's pour them in. So we got the ingredients, now we just have to pour the powder. So we're going to pour the powder little by little. So we're just doing the finishing touches. So now it's time for the cupcake iron. There we go. So we put the spray in. And now it's time to put the batter inside of the cupcake liners. So we're just pouring them. We're almost done pouring them in. So we're just going to shake them up a little more. And then we're going to put them in the oven. Now we wait. So the cupcakes are ready. Time to decorate these cupcakes. They're so perfect. So now we're done to decorating the cupcakes. So now it's taste test time.